This video, I will be telling you how to play the Marvel Rivals on Mac OS. For that, there are some complications, but yet it is possible to play on the Mac OS the Marvel Rivals. So stay tuned with the video to get to know about it. If you're new to the channel, make sure that you like the video and comment under the video, share the video, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future update. So let's dive right into the video. See, these are some steps that you need to follow in order to do that. You can follow the bootcamp, which are only Intel Mac only. So use bootcamp to install Windows on your Mac, boot into Windows to play the game. Bootcamp isn't available on Apple Silicon Macs and using the game porting toolkits. So Apple gaming porting toolkits allow running Windows games on macOS. It's more complex and may require technical expertise, so you need to learn more about it. So you can visit a lot of websites that are available on the Google to do so. So these are only two ways through which you can actually do that. I hope you find this really helpful. Take care. Bye bye.